Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, what is this and how does it work? Let's start by explaining what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets and decentralized systems that allows for secure online payments. Cryptocurrency uses cryptography to verify and create a network of transactions using millions of computers around the world to verify and store information about the transactions. This network of transactions is called a blockchain. The blockchain is tested and verified by all these computers around the world that are mining cryptocurrencies. Each miner has a copy of the blockchain and they are working together to verify what is right and what is not right. If someone tries to hack the blockchain by saying that they have more money than they should have, then 99.99% of the millions of miners around the world will have a copy of the blockchain that says otherwise. And the block that contains the false information becomes invalid and is discarded from the blockchain. With this decentralized blockchain system, we can make faster and cheaper transactions with much higher level of security than using a centralized financial system, in other words, a bank. So now we know cryptocurrencies are decentralized. We take control away from the bank and out to the people. Let's talk about the most known cryptocurrency out there, Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is what started the trend of digital currencies. Bitcoin is decentralized, which means there is no central authority controlling Bitcoin. It is run by the network of miners that we talked about earlier that are verifying and storing information on the blockchain. You can send any amount of Bitcoin whenever you want, wherever you want, without filling out long forms, getting approval from the bank, etc. The average time of a Bitcoin transaction is about 10 minutes, and the transaction fee can be as low as $2 to $3. But let's say you want to buy a coffee using Bitcoin. The coffee costs $2. With a Bitcoin fee of $2, the total price of the coffee will be $4. So it ends up costing twice as much as it normally would. Don't worry, there is a solution. Lesser transactions like buying a coffee is solved by something called Lightning Network. The Lightning Network is built on top of Bitcoin and makes it possible to buy smaller things like coffee without paying the Bitcoin fee. If you want to know more about how Lightning Network works, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. So what makes Bitcoin go up in value? Bitcoin's price is mainly affected by its supply and demand, availability, and competing cryptocurrencies. We talked about mining earlier. This is not only the process of verifying transactions, but also the process of getting more Bitcoins out on the market. These are paid to miners as rewards for verifying the blockchain. Right now, there is about 18.9 million Bitcoin that has been mined and are available on the market. When it has been mined 21 million Bitcoin, they will not be mined anymore. That is the max supply of Bitcoin. This makes Bitcoin rare and will become more and more rare in the future, which will decrease the availability of Bitcoin and the value of Bitcoin will go up. If that's not enough, every fourth year the rewards of mining Bitcoin is halved. That means that the amount of Bitcoin that becomes available on the market is halved every fourth year. So if the same amount of people as before the halving wants to buy Bitcoin, the price has to go up since there is less Bitcoin available to trade. Because of this Bitcoin halving, it is predicted that the last Bitcoin will be mined in the year 2140. So by keeping the supply of Bitcoin limited, it will rise the value over time. Another number that is not limited is the amount of other cryptocurrencies. As of February 2022, there is over 10,000 other cryptocurrencies out there in the world, and new ones are launched every day. The big trend for 2022 is metaverse cryptocurrencies. And in this video here, I will tell you what metaverse crypto projects I think will make it big in 2022. Don't miss out. With that said, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.